present for Custard. I wonder what this one could be. Yeah, I think it is a ball. Right. You might be right.
Hey, Penny. Open it up. Penny, look.
Good job. Yay, Penny. It's stuck too. Uh-oh, it's getting away.
Uh-oh.
It's like, unless it makes music, don't bother me. What's in there?
What's that, Pen?
What is it, Penny? Is it a ball? Yeah, sticky, sticky. Yay! Next one. This one's from Grandma and Papa. Gotta rip it. Here. Give you a head start. Take that big piece. Grab it. You're so good at destroying so many things, Penny. I think that you could excel at this sport. There you go. So I think a clothes box under there. I don't know if I care so much about clothes boxes. And Taylor. Ooh, they got you some nice stuff.
Ooh.
Pretty. Oh, Dad, you hasn't seen her.
No.
The chocolate. Got a baby fat hoodie.
It's a pretty cool looking hoodie.
Baby fat hoodie. What do you think? I can put it on Custard. He'll model for us.
Ooh.